Hi everyone, welcome to my art channel. My name is Soraya. So today I'm going to be working on a 12 by 12. Not very big for me, but I'm looking forward to seeing what's going to happen. As I'm doing that, I'm going to be talking to you about the 4 tips for you to become a successful artist in your art career. So let's see what happens. A successful art career requires a combination of artist growth, strategic planning, and a proactive approach. Listen up because I have 4 tips for you to unleash your art career potential. Like the rest of my Enso paintings I've created, I decided to go ahead and freehand this one as well. It gives it a much more organic feel and look to it. My first tip is about continuous learning and artistic growth. Invest the time and effort in continuous learning and honing your artistic skills. Take art classes, workshops, or courses to explore new techniques, mediums, and concepts. Expand your knowledge by studying art history, contemporary art trends, and relevant artistic movements. Push your boundaries and experiment with different styles to discover your unique artistic voice. Embrace growth and improvement as a lifelong pursuit. So as you can see, I'm taking my time using my palette knife and trying to incorporate that beautiful pop of blue color. My second tip is to develop a clear artistic vision. Define your artistic vision and develop a strong body of work that aligns with your artistic goals. Clarify what themes, concepts, or messages you want to convey through your art. Having a clear artistic vision not only helps you create a cohesive body of work, but allows you to effectively communicate your intentions to others, such as curators, galleries, and collectors. Consistency and authenticity in your artistic expression can set you apart and attract the right opportunities. Now, in retrospect, I really loved the way this was looking, and I was just so gung-ho about moving the paint around and changing things up. I should have stopped, and I kept going, and it kept changing. My third tip is to build a professional portfolio. Create a professional portfolio that showcases your best and most representative artworks. Curate your portfolio to reflect your artistic vision and target audience. Pay attention to the presentation, quality of the images, and accompanying artist statements or descriptions. A well-crafted portfolio can make a strong impression and serve as a powerful tool for promoting your work to potential clients, galleries, and other professionals. Now, my last tip could be the most important. Tip number 4, develop a strategic plan and network. Treat your art career as a business and develop a strategic plan to guide your progress. Set short-term and long-term goals that are specific, measurable, attainable, and relevant. Identify target galleries, exhibitions, art fairs, or other opportunities that align with your artistic vision and aspirations. Network actively within the art community, attend industry events, and seek out connections with curators, collectors, and other artists. Building a strong network can open doors to collaborations, exhibitions, sales, and other valuable opportunities. So, not always easy to create what you think is going to be an easy thing, but I'm loving what I see now. That last little bit really helped to bring this together. So I'll show you in just one second what this looks like dry. So here it is dried. It dried beautifully, and when you look up close, you can see the variation of the color in there with that beautiful bright pop of blue. It's looking wonderful, and I love the variations of patterns here. Quite beautiful. So I'm happy with this one. Click on the link you see now to see more of my artwork.